Exactly right, Mike. Industrials selling off today, but holding up better than the broader market, thanks to the airlines on a Delta upgrade from Evercore this morning. But as you're pointing out, ever since Walmart reported earnings back in mid-February, we started to see this momentum shift with investors rotating into the industrials. PACCAR, Cummins, Carrier Global up nearly 5% just this month and recently hitting new highs this week. Now, easing supply chains, lower costs tied to freight, plus the China reopening have fueled the recent rebound, according to Stephen Fisher, who covers the industrials at UBS. His top picks are United Rentals, AECOM, and Jacobs Solutions, which provides technology to engineering and construction firms. Jefferies analysts, they say the market is becoming also more confident that construction and manufacturing names can avoid a consumer-led recession. They're bullish on Caterpillar, which has outperformed the XLI Industrials ETF over the past 6 months. The best performing industrial so far this year really is General Electric, down today, but still up over 30% in 2023. Wall Street is awaiting that investor day on Thursday, as well as the president's defense budget and the broader budget, which should outline funds for the F-35 engine. Bank of America writing that GE has a 50-50 chance of winning that contract, and if they do, that could add an additional $1 billion in EBITDA. So it could be good news there, Mike.
And Seema, what else do you think investors are eager to hear from GE at its investor day? It's been a complicated story with a breakup underway and really a tough decade for the stock.
It has, but at the same time, that spinoff of healthcare has proved to be a good thing for GE when you look at shares, how it's outperformed since the healthcare spinoff. So now the focus will be on the spinoff of power and renewables, which is slated for early next year. Investors will want just a more clear timeline. And then the success of aviation. That has been something that CEO Larry Culp likes to talk about every quarter because we are seeing this pickup in international traffic, and that's resulted in more demand for its LEAP engine, which is in the 737 MAX. Now, the ramp up of the LEAP engine, that will be key on Thursday at the Investor Day. About 1,700 LEAP engines are expected to be delivered this year, which would be up about 50% from the same time last year. But we know supply chain issues, which yes are getting a little bit better, but they haven't gone away. So the question is, can they meet that target? That will be a key focus, Mike.
And then, Seema, more broadly, how do we explain the recession watch that's been going on for a while? And industrial is one of the strongest sectors of the economy. Is there just this capital goods investment cycle? Obviously, we have infrastructure spending and a lot of, capital investment happening.
It's exactly the infrastructure bill, which, by the way, is starting to show up in earnings. This was the first quarter where we heard from companies like Caterpillar and Cummins and Vulcan Materials that actually said the infrastructure bill is coming to fruition. So there is that, plus the expected benefits of the IRA, the Inflation Reduction Act, which does benefit names like GE that have that renewable energy business. So those are the two clear tailwinds that are helping the industrials outperform, not to mention this idea that industrials just have a more attractive valuation than some of the other parts of the market like tech and even energy.
Absolutely. Seema, thank you very much. Great to talk to you.